Maayong adlaw ka natong tanan, magpalahi ta, no? So, I have to discuss a topic which is most of us can relate, no? So, lahi, no? So, yung ini. Atong bisitaon atong basic nga mathematics yan, no? Tanaw na to kung nagahinomdom pa ba ta, no? So, I have to review, no? On how to solve a quadratic equation. There are several methods and arriving with the solutions or roots of the quadratic equation. So, namely, we have the method of factoring, no? What else? The method of extracting the square roots, right? Or by square roots. Number 3 is by completing the square method. And fourth is the quadratic formula. And fifth, you can even use a calculator to arrive with the solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have to take them one by one, no? I have to start with factoring. No? But before that, what is really quadratic equation? Okay, ngayon. Quadratic equations in one variable, no? May kung saan variable involved, no? Okay, so this is an equation in a second degree polynomial, no? Which can be written in a standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is if your variable is x. So which means a, b, c are constant. Okay? So that is our standard form, no? So for easy manipulation, we have to let this constant be integers if possible. And since we have to start with the x squared term, mas maayo if you have to start with a positive term, so your a must be greater than 0. Now, as a constant, it can be 0, it can be positive, it can be negative. But, on this case, no, so dili ta mo consider og value sa a nga 0. Because if a is 0, then it is the same that the x squared term do not exist. So, we cannot call the equation as quadratic. Maybe, it is a first degree equation in that case, no? So, may mo siyang linear, no? So, kung quadratic kinahanglan, siguradoon na to that the term that bears the degree of our polynomial will really exist. No? So it will exist if your a has a value not equal to 0. Now, for easy manipulation, atong balikan, we have to take a, b, and c as integers if possible. Pero kung dili mahimo, so okay ra sa gingana because a, b, and c can be constants, no? Or in a real number. No? So, on this case, himuon na to nga integer kung pwede, and since we have to start with a positive term, so mas maayo nga atong ihimuon itong positive. Okay? So, what is the method of factoring in solving a quadratic equation? Now, this is governed with a theorem. If a certain polynomial is expressed in terms of a factored form, no? If r and a's are numbers or real numbers, no? So, and that's equated to 0. So, this equation will hold true if any of the factor will be 0. Like r is equal to 0. 0 times s, so that's 0. Is, if mahimo sang 0, so this can be 0 also. R times, or any value times 0 is also 0. Or, the more kung ang duha gid mo'y 0. So, this equation will hold true. So, ang ato anong buhaton in factoring, provided one side is already 0, so is to express the quadratic function in its factored form. Okay, once you arrive at the factored form, you can equate its factor to 0 and solve for the root. Okay, so, example. Find the solution to the equation. Okay, the equation is given as this, no? So, you notice that there is a term which is fractional in form. Yan, ingon man ta ganina in our standard form, if possible, your a, b, c must be an integer. So, it's easy to work with sa equation which is rational, no? So, you only have a denominator of 3, so it's easy to convert your equation to contain integer coefficient by just multiplying with the LCD. So that is basic to in dealing with rational equation. So, consider the LCD. So, the only denominator there is 3. So, mausan na mahimo nga LCD. Okay, so what are you going to do with the LCD? To remove this denominator, every term in our equation will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so 3 is multiplied. As a result, ato na i-distribute in every term. Okay, so we come up with, no, makaka-arrive tao kung saan 2x squared plus 3x. You notice that there is an absence of a c term or a constant term. So what you have is only the second degree term and the first degree term. There is a common factor. What is your common factor here? the common factor is x. Now, if your equation contains a common factor which involves variable, never divide this with x, because if you will be dividing with x, no, to simplify your equation, you will be omitting some roots in the process. No? So, ang atong buhaton na is to consider factoring directly. So, what would be the factored form if you apply your factoring? Factoring the left-hand member of your equation, removing a common factor. No, that is our first consideration, to look for a common factor if any. Okay, so you can have what's that x. So, if x is removed, what is left on the other two terms? We have what's that 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So, this is equivalent to R and S in the theorem ganina we've mentioned. So, each factor will now be equated to 0, and then you solve for x. Okay, so that's based on the theorem. So, when x is equated to 0, so it shows that there's a value of the variable already, which is 0. If 2x plus 3 is also equated to 0, then it becomes a linear equation. So, I can put my constant on the other side, and solving for x, I can divide it with 2, so I arrive with another value. So, the values are 0 and 3 halves. Now, so, they are actually termed as the roots or the solution of our equation, no? Or you can present your solution set. Okay? Now, these values, kung gusto kang maniguro, you can also employ checking of your roots, no? So, by going through with the original equation, no? So, checking and the given equation, no? So, the given equation is the original one, no? Mas maayo if one side is 0, para if you substitute a value here, mo 0 ganina, then it is okay as the root. Okay, so with the value of x, you have 0, substitute. Okay, so 2/3 times 0 plus 0, then it is satisfied. No? So, meaning, 0 is a root. The other value is minus 3 halves. So, it's also substituted and calculated, and this is also equal to 0. So, both values are found to be on the values that satisfies the equation. So, therefore, they are roots. So, it is true that your roots are those values, and you come up with a solution set. No? So, pwede na to ibutang atong answer in terms of solution set, or you can also define or describe your roots. No? Okay, another example like this. So, gini, nidaghan lang atong denominator, correct? Okay. Can you identify what is the least common denominator or the least common multiple of 6 and 3? O sa imong value nga kining imong 6 ug 3 ni excess as a factor mo na ito ang sa tawgon og least common denominator. Okay, by inspection that is equal to pila? 6, okay? So the LCD is equal to 6, no? So the LCD will be multiplied in all terms of the equation to convert this into a standard form, no? Para ato sa equation walay mga fractional term. Okay, so here is the procedure. So we have unsa 6 in every term, ato na i-multiply through distribution. Okay, first term, then you have the second term. So that is the term of your equation. This is now close to the standard form. In our standard form, one side must be made 0. So it's either kani mo akong ibutang at the left the x squared term, no? Okay, so the 4x squared may be placed at the left. Pero what will happen if this is transposed at the left? Then the sign of which will become a negative 4x squared. Yan ingon man ta, a must be greater than 0. So it is actually a term having a positive constant coefficient. So dili lang ako dadon pa dong sa left, but instead kana mo akong ipangbalhin dito. So say mo habilin dire ma 0. 0 is equal to 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. But if this is 0 equal to this one, no? Kanang naa diha, na? After we transpose, no? Pareho mo sa nagmay kag A is equal to B and B is equal to A. So that is a symmetric property of equality where we can interchange the term in the equation without changing the sign. So pareho nag-atong ingon na naon pagbutang. So once it is expressed in the standard form of a quadratic equation, then that's the time you can look for possible factors. But it's done by trial and error. Sometimes you come up with a factor which is not supposed to be the factor coming from the original equation. Kanina itong tawag equation itong kuha factored form, no? Okay. What are the factors of 4x squared? So you have to consider that one. And what are the factors of the last term? No? So, ang imong tan-aon nga masakto siya for checking is the middle term. Okay, pananglitan, what are the factors of 4? It could be 4 and 1, it could be 2 and 2. No, wala yung factor na. O ato ka sa 6, it can be 6 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so I may start with sa akong gigamit. Kini. Kung doon ako'y 4x diha, and then I have x na lang dire kay gikan na diha 4x squared, so 4x, and so ako sa ni siyang i-adjust dire 6 with 2. So negative man so it's either kana minus 3 or kana mo kana mo negative, kani mo positive 3, kani mo negative, or may usa kani mo negative and this is the positive. Okay, to produce a product which is negative. Okay, let us check with the term which will produce the middle term. It's obtained by taking the sum of the product of the means kini and the extremes. No, this is an x term, 3x minus pila 8x. What is their sum? That will give you a sum which is negative 5x. And if you check with the middle term, it is not, because the middle term is a positive 5x and this is a negative 5x. So, it is not a correct factor. But there is a very close a factor which is very close to the function here because it only differs with the sign in the middle term. So, most probably, ako lang ning bayloon. Ang negative is the minus as the 3 as 3, and yan gani mo himo na kung positive 2. Okay, let's try. So, nag-try lang ka. Ha? Okay, so, doon na kay unsa negative 3x, doon na sa kay unsa positive 8x. What's their sum? That is positive 5x. And it is now the middle term, so which means you arrive already with a correct factor. Now, so doon na kay correct factor. Once this is a correct factor, then we can proceed finding the roots. And how? Every factor will be equated to 0 and you solve for x. Okay, let's try. 4x minus 3 set to 0, I obtain what value? Kaya kanina nahimo naman ng linya, no? This is now a linear equation. So we have 3 over 4. Bring your 3 there, divide with 4. So you have 3/4. If kine to negative to, kung akong i-transpose, no? So there you have a value. Now, if there is no solution set required, so you may end up your answer until here, no? And identify this, or you have to indicate that this is your answer. But pwede sa kamuhatag og solution set. A set or a solution set is a set that contains the roots or solution as its element. No? So, muna na imuhang isode. If you are doubtful with your answer, you can also employ the checking of answer. And how? You can go back to the original equation, no? So, imo na i-substitute and now if the equation is satisfied. Okay, so if you want to make one side be 0, so just transpose this term to the other side, make it 0, then substitute all those values. Okay, so that is if you are interested to check your work. Now, you might be interested on how to arrive with a LCD, no? Okay, ngini. To find the LCD, at I review gamay before the next example, the denominators you have are 6 and 3. So, just convert your denominator 6 in its factored form where the factors involved are prime number. Kanang dili na ma-factor out except for 1 and that number. No? So, 6 can be 3 and 2. And all of this are prime number. So, okay. 3 is a prime number. So, the other factor for that is 1. No? 3 and 1. In determining the LCD, you collect the factors in your denominator. So, like for example, 3. Ako ibutang 3. And then, I also have 2. But in the second denominator, 3, so 3 will not be placed anymore there because it is already a duplication. So, kung nag-double siya o gawas, usara imong ibutang. Pero, if ever, this is 3 squared and this is 3. Okay? So, kausara gihapon ka mubutang sa 3, but you have to use or you have to consider the expression that contains the highest exponent. Kung 3 squared, so 3 squared dire. Pero ayaw sa itong apila dire. Okay? Pero kay pariho man sila, they all contain a power 1. So, it is only 3 with power 1 which will be part of your least common denominator. So, 3 and 2 only, which is 6. So, muna itong ibutang dire. Okay? So, ako nang i-discuss because the next example is somewhat related to that. Okay? Try to look at the next. It is also a fractional equation. Papakita kahibaw kung this is really an equation which will produce a quadratic equation. No? So, in working with equation containing fractions or rational equation, no? So, you have again to look for the LCD. And as a process, the denominator will be expressed in factored form. So, kini siya, dili man ni factorable, no? Prime naman na siya. So, kini, may be factorable. No? In LCD, so try to start with a factor which is kaning nasa pikas denominator. Kaya kung kini gani wa dire, then it would be the same that you have to collect them directly. Okay, so in factorization pattern of the denominator, I have to start with the x plus 1 as my trial factor in my right-hand member fraction. No? Kini. So, kanang imong fraction at the right-hand member of your equation. Okay, so ayan na to. So, we have x minus 3 over x plus 1. I copy this expression. Kaya di naman na ma-factor, no? So, kini, akong gisuwayan og x plus 1. X squared, that is x. So, doon na pa nabilin ngon sa x, na. If this is 1, that's coming from 2. So, what na lang factor pares ana, it's also 2. So, this is an x term. This is 2x. So, what's their sum? Okay, so that's the middle term, no? So, that means x plus 1 is really a factor. What is your LCD? Okay, the LCD, you have to collect all factors of the denominator like the x plus 1. Kini, this is a repetition, so do not put any more x plus 1. Na? So, x plus 2. So, kana ra sila mo gawas. Na? Okay, so, ayaw dubliha pag suwat. Okay? Or else, kung imong dublihon, dili siya matawag nga least common denominator or least common multiple of your denominator. Now, this LCD will be multiplied in all terms of the denominator. Actually, our only purpose there is to remove these denominators. Okay? Multiplying with the LCD. Okay, what is your first term? If you distribute, this is eliminated. We have x plus 3 together with this one. Kini, 3 can be multiplied with this, no? 2 factors, which is kini. This is totally removed and I have 32. So, you can expand the first term. You can distribute this. Okay? So, sa akong ma-arrive, okay? X squared, sa may itong product, minus 3x with 2x. So, you have an x term of negative x, no? What's the product of your constant? That is negative 6. So, muna imuhang gikan sa imuhang first term, expanded form, no? Okay, kini. Di ba kini siya is also the same as this one because x plus 1 and x plus 2 are actually coming from this. So, maurago ni siya. Okay? Now, doon na yung mga term like x squared term because ganahan mo gito mo abot ni quadratic, na? Okay, so let us produce the x squared term and how? I can combine the x squared with the 3x squared. I can produce the 4x squared. The x term. Ang akong x term is unsa? Doon ako x term na negative x. Doon nasa ko unsa? Doon nasa ko 9x. What's their sum if you combine? 9x minus x is 8x. This is pila? Positive 6. I have a negative 6. So, simply eliminated. Muna doon na yung nahabilin nga 32 at the right. When that is transposed to the left, to follow a standard form, no? Muna imong na-arrive gikan ini, combining terms similar. Now, we notice that there is a common factor. What is the common factor between 4, 8, and 32? That common factor, because it is only a constant, pwede rin na i-divide. Bisag dili ra ka mo apply factoring. You divide by 4 so that your equation will be, will be simplified. No? So you are free to divide if it is a common factor which involves only a constant. But neither do that when the expression common contains variable. Okay? Yan to nga dili natin nga naon because we might eliminate. Okay, we might exclude lots in the equation in the process wherein imo siyang i-divide with the expression that contains variable. So this is now looking simpler. Okay? Wala ang factor sa x squared. It is x. Ang atong 8, mura itong i-adjust. Negative 8 man eh. So one of which is negative, no? So I may have minus 2 4 or negative 4 ba with positive 2. And let us consider our middle term, no? So, if this is minus 2x, kana 4x. So, the middle term is set, correct? So, meaning, this is a correct factor. You can now proceed with, okay, so, padayon ka with the roots. Equating its factor to 0, like, okay, x plus, this is minus 2, sorry. This is minus 2, okay? That is why we have x equal to 2. This is coming from this, so this is minus. X plus 4, so we have on sa transpose, we have a negative 4. Okay? Now, in dealing then with fractional equation, avoid and be careful with the value of x you obtain, no? Make sure that the value you obtain is not a zero of the denominator. Because if they are a zero of the denominator, then that is clearly untrue to the equation. So you have to disregard that one as a root. No? So may makapasero ini, masero siya kon minus 1, masero siya kon negative 2. But these are not the zeros of the denominator, so they can be the elements of your solution set. Kung gusto ko maniguro, you can always employ the checking of answer. Okay? So, imo na i-substitute. Mas maayo, mo ni mong zero ang one side by bringing a term to the other side, then you substitute. Pag human mo zero gani, so it's okay. Diba? So, that's how to work with equation like this. No? Okay, kining sunod, no? Pagdugang lang ko sa itong example, basta what is important here is for us to go with the factor here. If there is a way to go directly with the factor so kanay gamita. Pero I have to introduce a trick, no? So basin og ma-preset nimo, mahimo sad nimo i-adapt, no? If ever libog ka sa factor, so atong dugangan imo kalibog, bitaw. So atong suyan, lingaw-lingaw lang niya. Okay, so tips to factor a trinomial. You start with sayop, di ba? So, sayop na ganun. Sugod tig sayop. Tanaw na to ang atong sayop. Posible ba mo dala na to sa unsa? Sa tinuod nga factor. Okay? Kung 35x squared ni, ibutang sa 35x, so dapat ta x lagi na dire. Yan, 35 ug 35 kay ug x akong ibutang re, dili na binuang, no? So, kani 35x with 35x. So, certainly, this will not produce the first term. No? So, ato ko nang tanan how to proceed. I have to look for the possible factors of the first and last term. No? Okay? So, out from 35 and 18. Now, there are possible factors of 35 like 35 and 1. What else? 7 and 5, correct? 5 and 7 can be, no? So, sa 18, pwede kung saan? Pwede 9 times 2, correct? Sa payuban. 6 times 3. Okay, so I may have 35. Nya, ako ibutang o kung saan? 7 and 5 sa PCAS is on 6 and 3. Okay, so how to go with the factor? Okay, so lay ko nun siya. If you multiply these mens, kani, nasto nga na to. Na? So atong ibutang the product as 30. Kana, o sa may product ini, 21. Diba? So 30 and 21, if you add, what's the result? 51. Ang atong gusto i-arrive kini. Okay, so if I have 30, then the other one is pila to? 21. Pero ang atong buhaton, di na to ibutang 21 being positive because we are also allowed to use a negative here because if that is minus 18, so it could be negative 6 and positive 3, correct? Or positive 6 with a negative 3. Okay, so atong ibutang kini is positive, so atong i-retain ang 30. If this is minus 3 with 7 is minus 21. Correct? You take their sum. You will arrive with 9. Correct? And that is very close to the middle term. So, kanino mo akong gamitan. Okay? How to make use of this. Okay? From the first factor dire, na? Nga missing ang mga second term, ang 35x akong parisan ini 30. Butang lang ko diha. So, which means ang minus 21 ari dire. So, tanaw nimo the more nga dili na siya mo oy unsa? Dili na siya mo oy factor dire. No, kadagko ana nga number. Okay. How to continue arriving with the correct factor? So, ang imo buhaton ana, try to check if there is a common between the terms and the factors involved. Like 35 and 30 unsa may common? There is a common which is pila? There is a common which is 5. Di ba? Nya kini doon na sa ni common which is pila? Dili 5 but unsa? 7, di ba? Pwede 7. Okay, so those common factor, imong gamiton as a divisor for the individual factors. Divide its expression in a group by common factor. Okay, so kana imo i-divide. Okay, so kana imo i-divide by 7. Okay, what is the result if you divide? So, 35 divided by 5, that is 7. 30 divided by 5, that is 6. If I'm going to divide this with 7, 35 divided by 7, that's 5. 21 divided by 7, it's minus 3. Now, you try to consider these factors form. Middle term is 9x. This is 30, correct? X, this is minus 21. The sum of which is the middle term. So, that means, starting with wrong factors, by doing this process, mo arrive na ikaw correct factor. Since the factors we obtain is now a factor to the given, then we can now proceed finding the roots. Okay, so like that. 7x plus 6 equated to 0. I obtain a root. And then 5x minus 3 equated to 0. I also have a root. So if these are the roots of solution of your equation, then I can also give a solution set. Okay, containing those elements, right? Okay. So atong i-test, or atong i-try with another example. The roots, by the way, may be check, no? Going back to the original equation. Okay, last. Okay, we have number 5. Okay, ngini. Tugag mo yun ang number. If I have 4x squared plus 5x minus 6, on sa itong term tamusugod in our first and second factor, sugdig sa'yo o sugod o poros 4x, correct? Because that is 4x squared. Okay? Then, you can consider factors of 4 and 6, no? Consider kag mga trial factor nila. Kung sa may factor of 4, pwedeng 2 and 2, pwedeng 6 o 1, pwedeng 3 and 2. Okay, so these are the factors considered. 2 to 3 to. Possible factors, correct? If you multiply this is 6, this is 4, correct? 1 must be negative, yeah? So, it could be minus 6, yeah? Or it could be minus 4. Okay, ato ko nung ibutang ang ilang product. This is 6, which means kana akong i-positive. Kana positive. So, naagid sa ini negative. Kung kana mo akong i-negative, pilang may sum? 2. Pero kung kini mo akong i-negative, ang sum is minus 2, which is not the middle value. Okay? So, dili na mo imong factor. So, you have to retry. Kay trial and error man eh. Okay, from the same number, 4 and 6, na? Okay, mangita kag factor of 4. Like, for 1, pwede. So, 3 to atong ipermanente. What is their product? 1 and 3. 3, kana? 8, correct? Okay, so I have 3 and 8 considered. The middle term is 5. So, 1 must be negative. So, aganin mo muna kung negative. So, minus 3 na eh. That is 8. Pila may sum? 5. And that's 5. So, that's okay. So, ganina akong i-continue. 4x, this one. 4x, ako siyang parisan o kung saan. The 4x, ako parisan o minus 3. Ang 4x akong i-pair by positive 8. If there is no common factor between them, so it's okay. Pero kana, doon naman ni common factor. What's the common factor? 4. So, first factor will be the same. The second factor will be divided by 4. And as a result, there I have the new factor. 4x minus 3 o x plus 2. Check with the middle term. There I have 3x negative, 8x positive. So, if you add them, the x terms, so you will arrive with 5x. So, meaning this is now okay. If okay, so that's a signal for you to proceed with the roots. Equating its factor to 0, 4x minus 3 will give you what value? That is, 4x, this is minus 3, eh? Okay, minus 3, so we have 3/4 as the value. Kine will give you minus 2. Okay? So, the roots are obtained, so solution set can also be given. The order of the terms, the order of the elements, pwede rag 3/4 mo na din minus 2. Sige ang answers, maybe then. Okay, if you like. Okay, last day, napagin lang last. Okay na. W squared, there's no other factor for W squared. W and W. Kini mo daghang factor. But you want to hit, kini. Ano lang idiretso. Di lang itong trick, no? Okay, kini. So, if I have 1,000, I may have 25. Pwede mo kayong 500 and 2, pero layo kayong middle term, right? If I have 25, that's 40. Pa negative man so both must be negative to make it plus, right? Okay? So, what's the middle term? W term, 65. And that is 80. So, dili. Ngita na sa gaglain. And then you arrive, atong isuwayan 20 o 50. That's 1,000. Middle term is only minus 70. That is minus 80. Now, ingon ini. Bisag, unsay imong itry ini, wag yun kayo ma-arrive nga kudro factor. Nga naman, there is a limitation in factoring pattern, no? Or factoring method, no? The limitation of which, no? Kinahanglan ng atong quadratic function must be factorable. Otherwise, the method, no, another method of solving will be used instead. Now, take note, we have lots of method. What's it daw? Factoring, by method of square roots, completing the square, and the quadratic formula, and by the use of calculator. So, maybe na atong tulo. No? So, pagkakaroon, atong ihunong with the first method, and if you're interested to go, you're interested to view, or you are interested to review, no? The other methods of solving quadratic equations, so try to follow with our next issue, no? So, if you think this is useful para nimo, or maybe sa imo bang mga kanayunan sa balay, no? So, try to subscribe so that you will be updated, no? So, thank you and thanks for watching.